Okay, this is our landscaping contract for Hawkins Wood and Greystones. We created a low maintenance garden using synthetic grass, bordered by granite cobbles. There's lighting within the garden, and we have lights within the cobbles glazing the raised beds. Raised beds are created using 1 meter granite kerbs. We've painted trellising with grey anthracite just to soften the walls. The planting is all low maintenance with prostrate rosemaries, Acer sangu kaku acting as the specimen plant with a central betula jackmontii. We also have pittosporums, diosmas, euonymus, nandines. The grass is actually 45mm sward. It's looking a bit wavy at the moment, but once it dries up, it'll get a nice natural look. Okay, that's our garden in Hawkins Wood and Greystones. Thank you.